Good morning, welcome to Coffee and a Forecast. It's Wednesday, and it's February 15th, the day after the wild Valentine's Day weather day. Salute. The end of the cup. Make a fresh cup of coffee right after this. All right, I'm still really excited about what happened yesterday. I was sitting in this very chair getting some work done at lunch, and I looked out, and it was snowing. And so I grabbed my camera and got some video and came back in. And then I looked out again, and it was snowing even harder. So I got my camera and went back out again, and got this video right here.
Valentine's Day.
And
lunch hour.
Maybe narrated a little too much. Look at those flakes, they're huge.
Look how huge those flakes are.
That's what I just said.
I hope it's showing up on camera.
And they are. And it continues for a minute and a half. And just amazing. You can watch this video on our YouTube channel, so youtube.com/Tucson weather. And I took some pictures yesterday too. Actually, this was I think that's no, that's a picture from my camera phone, and this one is too. There's Push Peak across the street, covered with snow, and you see the snow level quite low. This is 4,000 feet, this hump here. So we got down to 3,000 feet easily, and because we're at about 2,600 feet here at the apartments and the condos across the lot there. And then last night's sunset was amazing too. And here are the numbers, which are pretty amazing in their own selves. We had a high of 57 at like just after midnight in the morning, and then we had a low of 37 at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, just after the snow. And we picked up 7/100ths of an inch of precipitation at the airport. I haven't checked the numbers yet. I'm pretty sure we got more here in Oro Valley. All of this snow just landing on my shirt and then melting, and so I ended up getting soaked out there. Not covered with snow, but soaked. Now, one thing about the reporting from the Tucson International Airport yesterday, they didn't report how much snow we got. They put it as missing. So, you know, technically, did we pick up a trace of snow or no snow? I don't know. All right, 2,100s for the year so far, so we are still a little bit more than an inch below average for the year, and we're going to fix this number a little bit. We have two more storm systems heading our way. Sunrise this morning at 7:06 and sunset tonight at 6:10. Here is your forecast. It'll be mostly sunny today, maybe some patchy fog this morning, but it'll burn off pretty quickly for those that get it. Otherwise, breezy conditions, winds 5 to 15 miles an hour, not too bad. 60 for a high, though, kind of cool. A few clouds tonight. They start to increase, low near 38, and by tomorrow, winds 10 to 20, 20% chance of showers, high 64, and even better chance of showers Thursday night with breezy conditions, low 42. Maybe a lingering shower Friday, otherwise mostly sunny and cool, 58. Saturday, sunny, 68, but then another system affects us on Sunday with a slight chance of showers and cooler temperatures then as well. Temperatures out there right now, it's cold, and the dew point in Tucson is 32 right now. So as we approach that, we probably should see some of that fog forming, and it's going to be right near the freezing mark too. So maybe some freezing fog for some folks, but it's going to be really close. Otherwise, temperatures not likely to fall below that freezing mark if the dew point's there. Sometimes as you approach it, the dew point might fall a little bit. So we'll watch that carefully. It's going to be close. But we do have a 26 here near Huachuca City right now, and a 30 near Sierra Vista and Bisbee, and a 32 for Bisbee Douglas Airport, and a 30 for the Nogales Airport. So we do have freezing temperatures down here further to the south, Benson at 31 and Safford at 32. Casa Grande at 39, and here's our 37 at the airport with a dew point at 32. So 40 near the apartment here in southern Oro Valley, and some more metro temperatures. You can see pretty widespread, mid to upper 30s, 39 in Marana, but here's a 35 down on the southeast side and along the Tucson mountains. So it is chilly outside, 38 for the foothills. Here's what's going on. Here's our next system. Here's California. Here's Nevada, here's Arizona. You can see those clouds already starting to increase along the border. Here's Las Vegas seeing mostly cloudy skies, or at least the high clouds invading, and those are also approaching Yuma here. So this system will continue to move our way, and again by tomorrow we'll have that chance of showers busting out tomorrow, and tomorrow night will be the prime time with this system. This system brought snow down to 1,000 feet or so in the Oregon Cascades. So it's a chilly system, but it's taken the inland route, so it's a little bit moisture starved by the time it gets here. So I don't think we'll have huge rainfall amounts, but again, it may pick up some moisture off of the Gulf of California and the Pacific as it gets closer to us, and so we'll probably see some showers from it, is what I'm saying, but it probably won't be a whole lot of moisture. Then another system back here, and again by Sunday we'll probably get into some of this action for at least a slight chance of rain, but we will have that break in between for nice weather on Saturday. Well, even Friday, but Friday will be cool. Here's what's going on around the country. Stationary front across the south, and severe weather possible southeast Texas and Louisiana, so watch out for that. And look at that, the Sunshine State getting some more rain. Rain also along the Atlantic coast back into the Ohio Valley. That changes the snow as you get up into the Great Lakes and in Canada, and also upstate New York with some snow possibilities. Here's our Great Basin storm. This is really where it is. It's kind of a double-barreled low, Nevada and Southern California or Central California. So snow for most of that system, but it's rain and snow as you get into Southern California, Las Vegas, and even western Arizona with rain further to the south. And again, this is continue to move our way for tomorrow and tomorrow night. Snow also possible for northern New Mexico and into Colorado, and then here's a chance of rain later today for the Pacific Northwest coast. And a lot of weather to talk about today because of what happened yesterday and what's fixing to happen. Breezy conditions today with sunshine after some patchy morning fog and a cold start. 60 today's high. 38 tonight with increasing clouds, and by tomorrow breezy with a 20% chance of showers. 64. Breezy Thursday night with a 30% chance of showers. Maybe a lingering shower Friday morning, but otherwise sunny. 58. Saturday looks like a really nice day. Sunny 68, and then Sunday increasing clouds or cloudy skies with a chance of showers again. Wow. Hey, I kept it under 8 minutes. I was afraid I'd end up going 10. So anyway, like us on Facebook. I'm sure you have already. I think that's where we get most of our viewers. Also, the TucsonWeather.us website is where I got all of these graphics. That's where I make them in the morning and put them up there, and then share them on the social networks. On Twitter, it's TucsonWX, and we're on the Google Pluses now too. Starting to pick up a few people following us there on Google Plus. So there you have it. Coffee and a forecast for February 15th. Have a great Wednesday, and we'll see you again tomorrow morning. Jane, stop this crazy thing.